Jai Ram, everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and how are you doing, guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So, friends, in today's video, we are going to discuss about a very common problem. Problem is excuse that we make while learning this process, while learning this language, how to speak in English fluently. So in this learning process we always make different kind of excuse. So in this video I am going to discuss with you all the excuses which we make while learning this process, okay? And what should we do to remove these types of problem, to remove these type of excuses. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. Okay, so don't skip the video, watch the video right till the end, because this video is going to very helpful, very useful for every English learner. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. So friends, my today topic is that we always make different kind of excuses while learning this process, while learning English speaking, how to speak in English fluently. So first, the initial part of this video, I am going to discuss with you what kind of excuses we have made, and what we should do to remove these types of excuses. Okay, so the first excuse is that many of the people says that I had not learned English medium school, so that's why I am not capable to speak in English. So I think this is a common excuse make why everyone. So I can totally understand with you, because in my initial time I also had this type of excuses, but at the point of time when I realized that it is only a excuses, and when I started to learn this language, so that time I realized that a long time before I had been making different kind of excuses, but it is not going to help anymore. And while that when I am going to learn this language, so this is going to help my English. Okay, only excuses is not going to help any 0.1%. Okay, but when you are going to solve your problem, then it is going to help you how to speak in English fluently. So in my opinion, I am going to give you a tip which is totally depend on my experience. Okay, because I am also not a English medium school student. Okay, I had been complete my whole education in Hindi medium school. So in a initial time I also have this type of excuse that I am not English medium school student, so that's why I am not able to I am not capable to speak in English fluently. But after that, at the point of time, I realized that it is only an excuse, and when I am going to learn this language, then it is only the excuse when I realize. So the tip is that not think always not think a negative aspects, that I am not capable is capable of speaking English fluently because I am not English medium school. So it is only excuses. Okay, I am also a Hindi medium student. I had been studying total in Hindi medium school, in a government school, So if I can speak in English fluently, not fluently, but if I can speak in English, so why you can't? So don't make this type of excuse. Okay, so this is a tip. Not always complaining all the time, it's not going to solve a 0.1% your problem. But when you are going to solve your problem, that is going to solve your problem. Okay, so complaining the problem is not benefit for you, but solving the problem is benefit for you. Okay, so the next excuse that we have made, that is, I have no surroundings, I have no one, that's why I am not going to speak in English fluently, because I need to have someone with whom I can practice. But okay, so say total, I have no one, I have no one with whom I can speak in English, with whom I can practice in English. So but if I can speak in English in front of you, so you can also speak in English. How did I learn this language? I practice with myself. Okay, because it's my choice. I had made a choice to speak in English, so it's my responsibility to speak in English. Okay, why am I thinking all the time that I have no one, that's why I am not going to speak in English, that's why I am not practicing. Okay, don't worry, if you have no one, don't worry, you are your best friend. You can speak in English with yourself. Use different kind of tips, different kind of methods, such as mirror technique. Okay, simple, I can say, you just stand near the mirror and speak in English in any topic, and with yourself. Okay, once you raise a question, and you are the one who can give answer. Okay, so you are play double role, raise question and give the answer. So after doing this type of practice, you can capable to speak in English fluently. So friends, okay, you are your best friend. It is your responsibility, because you had made a choice. Okay, so this is your responsibility to speak in English. Why are you blaming others that you have no one? That why are you thinking all the time that others can come and speak in English with you? Okay, automatically when you are perfect and speak in English with you, so you think that now you are perfect and you can go in publicly, so the other people who are willing to speak in English, they can automatically come to you and can speak in English. But first is your choice. Okay, so always think in your mind. So this is a second excuse that we always create in our mind. Okay, so that's why you are not going to speak in English, but it is only a illusion. If you have a passion, if you have a determination, if you have a hard work, so nothing can impossible. Everything is possible, but if you want. Okay, so this is a second tip which I gave you. And the third excuse is that I'm too younger. You think that you are too younger, you are too older, because of this you are not going to learn this language. So if you think that you are too young, so that's why your relatives, your neighbors and your friends said that why are you so concerned about your education, about your English speaking, because you are too young, you have a lot of time, you can learn this language after long after time. But and someone says that you are too old, why are you concerned about learning this language? Because there is no need, it's not benefit for you. Why are you give so much time, why are you paying so much time to learn this language? So if you think this type of feeling, then always think in your mind, if you have a passion. Okay, so age is not a barrier. Okay, you can learn anything if you want. So their age is not a appropriate variable, age is not a appropriate level that this is people can learn this thing. Okay, everyone can learn anything if they want. Okay, so friends, I hope I gave you some tips, I gave you some motivation, which we always create in our mind. I hope I remove mentality which you made in your mind. So if you did, if you like my video, so please give it a like to share with your friends and family. And let me know in the comment box how did you like my video. Because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.